If you receive discipline and are considering an appeal, should your hearing be open to the public or closed? I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. Today's topic is open versus closed personnel hearings. As always, this is a topic summary and not legal advice. If you have questions about your specific circumstance, make sure that you consult a lawyer. In Arizona, the general rule is that government actions and decision-making are open to the public. This is why it's very rare for courtrooms to be closed. And for police officers here in Arizona, officers definitely have the right to have hearings that are open to the public. But some agencies have decided to allow for closed personnel hearings. A closed personnel hearing means that attendance at the hearing will be severely restricted. Most of the time, only the employee filing the appeal, the employee's representative, like a lawyer or a union rep, the agency's lawyer and representative, and the hearing officer will be present. In closed hearings, witnesses will only be allowed into the hearing room when they are called to testify, and witnesses must leave immediately after they finish on the stand. On the other hand, open hearings are just that, open to the public. The employee filing an appeal can have their coworkers and friends attend the hearing. But if one of their supporters that's going to be there is going to testify, the person testifying might be excluded or prevented from being in the room until they're called as a witness. But after that person testifies, they can come back and remain for the rest of the hearing in an open hearing. Also, even in an open hearing, the hearing officer has the right to retain control of the proceedings, so the hearing officer can order disruptive spectators to leave. So if you're filing an appeal of discipline, and if you are allowed to choose between an open and a closed hearing, which one should you choose? In general, I prefer open hearings. Appeals are stressful, and my clients seem to like to have the ability to have friends and family come and watch and be available to talk to them on breaks and at lunch. Also, if you choose a closed hearing, if and when the matter goes before a personnel board, that board may have procedures that allow them to consider the matter in a closed executive session. So those same friends and family supporters that you wanted to be there for you may be asked to leave when your case is heard. Finally, know that this video covers appeals processes generally. There are hundreds of agencies here in Arizona, and many of them have different procedures, so I can't stress this enough. If you have questions about filing an appeal and how the process works for your agency, including decisions like whether to have an open or closed hearing, organizations like ASCOPS and lawyers like me are here to help. So feel free to reach out and ask. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.